Hi folks, welcome to Saurav Sir's classes. I'm back with a fresh new video and thank you for choosing to watch my video again. Now, why have I emphasized on the word thank you? Because today my topic for discussion is how to express gratitude in English. Now, during the day, we meet a lot of people, don't we? Most of us, we meet a lot of people. Now, how many times have we stopped to think that we should be thanking each and every one that we meet during the day, whom we meet during the day, for their efforts that they put in to help us out when we are in trouble, or maybe generally also, people often help us, right? And at times when we are preoccupied with something, we forget to thank people enough. Maybe back when we are at home, we sit down and we think, we realize that it was very foolish of us to not, for not thanking somebody. So do not do this ever again. Please take some time out and make sure that you thank everyone you meet and everybody who's helping you out. Okay? Now, we should be thankful for everything that we've got in life. Not too many people has a roof above them. You know, right? Not too many people, they have a place to live in. Okay? Not a roof above them, or they don't get enough to eat. So, I personally feel that you should have 3 A's in your life. You should appreciate one's effort. You should acknowledge somebody who's thanking you. And the third is must admire people, okay, for the work they do. Why? Because that will help them to go ahead with what they're doing and will help them to maybe do such kind of things again in future. So it is very important for people to thank. So that's my topic for discussion. I will share with you different words and phrases that you can use in order to thank others. Let's start with the very first one. The first one is a simple thank you. Thank you or thanks. Okay. Thank you is a general way of expressing your gratitude for some help that you have received from somebody. So that somebody, if you have to thank in a very informal way, if he or she is your friend or your nearest kin or maybe your parent, then you can simply say a thank you. Or if he is a sibling, or if she is a sibling, a sister of yours, you can simply say a thanks. For friends and sisters and cousins, we can always use thanks. Followed by maybe thanks a lot, thanks a ton, thanks, maybe that's how you can go on, you can add more words to it. Thanks a lot or thanks a ton. These are expressions that you have been using frequently, but you should also know if somebody has thanked you, then what should be your immediate reply? You should know how to acknowledge your thanks also. So in reply to these, you can also say, please don't mention it. Don't bother to even mention it. There's no need to be so thankful. So there are endless ways in which you can actually acknowledge a thank you. You can also say that, well, it has been an absolute pleasure on my part to help you out, to be of some help. So there are so many things, so many expressions that you can use in order to in order to reply to a thank you, to acknowledge a thank you, basically. So this is my very first expression of expressing a thank you. Let's look at the next one. The next one is, maybe if somebody has really done something very good and out of the world thing for you, right? Okay, maybe a doctor who has helped your parents who, helped him to recuperate or maybe recover from an injury, or maybe if your friend or your nearest kin is in the hospital and she has recovered from an ailment or from maybe an illness, and you really need to thank the doctor, what would you say? You would simply not say a thanks or thank you, because that wouldn't be enough. What more can you say? You can simply say that I cannot thank you enough. I can't thank. I hope you can see, right? Yes, thank you enough. Now, this is something when your words are too short, you're out of words, you do not know what to say, and you're really, really thankful to the person who has helped you when you were going through a rough patch, or maybe you were in distress, you needed help, your friend was ill, maybe he or she had met with an accident or something, and the doctor has helped you. So if you want to thank your doctor, your medic, for the help, or your caregiver for whatever help he or she has done to you, this is something that you can use. I can't thank you enough. Okay. Now there's a third way of expressing gratitude. I hope you have taken these down. I'm just rubbing it off. The next expression is I am grateful. Now, this is a very common way of saying thank you to someone, and this can also be followed by a thankful. I'm grateful to you for your time. I'm grateful to you for whatever you've done for me. Now, this you can, say to someone who has actually helped you in your time of need. Maybe you have to pay your credit card bills and probably you're out of cash. You were probably out of cash, and a friend of yours has helped you. Okay, so you have been able to clear your debt, your dues, by borrowing some cash from your friend, and he has been able to lend you the amount. So in reply to the gesture that he's shown for you, you can simply say, I am grateful, thank you for your timely help. So this is another way of expressing gratitude to somebody who's helped you. The next one is, and in reply to this, if somebody is being very grateful to you, in reply to this, in order to acknowledge his thank you, you can simply say, oh, please don't mention it, because I'm more than happy to help. Okay, maybe. That's something you can say. The next one is, I am obliged. This is actually a more formal way of saying thank you to probably an office colleague, or maybe your boss or a supervisor. Okay, maybe like I'll give you an example. If you're grounded at home, maybe you're at home, you're sick, you're not being able to move out too much, so not being able to go to office for that matter. So what do? If you see your boss who's just come over to see you, for him, for the fact that he's taken out some time from his busy schedule and he's come to see you, come to meet you, you can say that I'm obliged. Okay, so and in reply to this, if somebody is obliged to you for your effort, you can simply say that, oh, it's been an absolute pleasure on my part to come and see you. Nothing. Okay. Okay, so that's how it is. So in reply to expressions like these, you can simply say that if somebody is, being very grateful to you or being very obliged or saying these things, in reply you can simply say, it's all right, you need not mention, or it's been an absolute pleasure. Whatever suits you. There are 10 ways of acknowledging a thank you. The basic ones I have told you. Now, the last one is, I appreciate and dot dot. Like, this is one phrase with which you can add endless expressions. Like, I appreciate your effort. I appreciate the fact that you have done really well. Okay, so these are the various ways in which you can say thank you to people and also admire them at the same time, appreciate their efforts. Okay, so it's very important for you to keep in mind that during the course of the day, whoever you meet, okay, try to be thankful for whatever they, in whichever way they help you. Okay, be it your parents, be it your friends, be it your kin, be it your sister, I mean whoever it is, or be it a stranger who, or a passerby who's just helped you. So thanks for choosing to watch my video. Do write in the comment section if you have any more queries or any particular topic that you would want me to discuss with you, and maybe just revise with you again. Please do feel free to write in the comment section, and thank you for watching me on Saurav Sir's classes. Keep watching my videos. There will be more uploads on various other topics, and hopefully these videos are helping you to progress, and hopefully they're helping you in developing your speaking skills. Okay, so keep listening, keep watching these videos. Thank you.